Basically, since the inception of AI technology, fake voiceover has been used to portray it if a person was saying which, actually he has not said. Recently, so many fake AI-generated photos and videos were made to show chaos claimed to be happened in Pahalgam in Indian-occupied Kashmir. It was claimed that the same was planned and done by neighboring country Pakistan. These all photos and videos were proved to be fake. There must international and national limitations about the AI-generated images and videos if same touch the boundaries and limitations about a person, his life, privacy and his family, and if disturbs or affects the policy and politics as well economics of a sovereign country for the purpose of ulterior motives. During recent flood situation in Texas, an AI-generated video was made on social media wherein Texas Governor Greg Abbott was claimed to adhere with the deportation policy, ICE, for the illegal Mexican immigrants who crossed the border during recent flood for help. Such like AI-generated images and videos are responsible panic situations in the whole of the world. On the other hand, several apps are floating online to fix the face of a person on obnoxious photos and videos with AI-generated similar sounds and voices. Such stuff is used to blackmail innocent people, especially women, elder people and children. Thanks for watching this video. Please share your comments.